Shame on fascist Graziani!
Shame on fascist Graziani!
We never forget Nazi and the fascist crime!
We never forget Nazi and fascist crime!
Get victim Ethiopians!
We never forget victim Ethiopians!
We never forget victim Ethiopians!
We never forget victim Ethiopians!
መስዋዕትነት የከፈሉት ኢትዮጵያውያን ለዘላለም አይረሱም!
Rudolf Graziani was a convicted war criminal.
Rudolf Graziani was a convicted war criminal.
Rudolf Graziani was an ally of Adolf Hitler.
Rudolf Graziani is an ally of Adolf Hitler.
The mayor of Affile honored a war criminal. Shame on Italy for honoring war criminal. Rudolf Graziani killed 1 million Ethiopians. CNN. Let it be known that the Italian government honored a convicted war criminal. Rudolf Graziani was an ally of Hitler.
Rudolf Graziani was an ally of Hitler.
Rudolf Graziani was a convicted war criminal.
Rudolf Graziani was a convicted war criminal.
Shame on Italy for honoring Rudolf Graziani.
Shame on Italy for allying Rudolf Graziani.
Rudolf Graziani was a convicted war criminal. Please, CNN, let it be known to the world. Italian government honored a convicted war criminal. Shame on Italy. Shame on Berlusconi for recognizing Mussolini. Berlusconi, the main prime minister of Italy, recognizing Mussolini. Mussolini is a fascist. Mussolini is an ally of Adolf Hitler. In Affile, the town of Affile, south of Rome, we are here to oppose and start the dismantling process of the statue. Shame on the mayor of Affile, Italy, for honoring fascist Rudolf Graziani, who killed 1 million Ethiopians, has been honored by the government of Italy, by the people of Italy, the taxpayer money of Italy, even though the people of Italy has never wanted this. This has been forced on the Italian people. Cover the story.
Never forget Nazi and fascist crime. Yeah, exactly.
የመጀመሪያው ሀዘናችን የምንገልጥበት ነው። ለሀገራቸው በመጓደቃቸው በማለቃቸው በሀዘን መግለጫ የምንሰጥበት ዕለት ነው። ሌላው ግን ዋናው ክቡር የሆነው ሀገራቸውን አሳልፈው ላለመስጠት ሀገራቸውን ለራሳቸው ለማቆየት ለተከታዩ ትውልድ ደግሞ ለኛ ደግሞ ኩራት እንዲሆኑ መስዋዕት የሆኑ ጀግኖች አባቶቻችን ናቸውና ይህንን ሁለት ገጽታ ነው ዛሬ እያስታወስን ያለነው። ከታላላቆች አባቶቻችን እናቶቻችን ወንድሞቻችን ካለፉት መካከል ልንማረው የምንችለው የእነሱን ፈለግ ተከትለን እንድንሄድ ነው ዛሬ ጥሪ የተደረገልን። ይህንን ጥሪ ያደረጋችሁ ያሰባሰባችሁ ወንድሞች እህቶች ልትመሰገኑ ይገባቸዋል። በዚህም ቦታ የተገኛችሁ ምንም እንኳን ዛሬ ሰላማዊ ሰልፉ በዓለም አቀፍ ቢሆንም በዚህ በከተማችንም
ወርቅ የሆነውን ጊዜያችሁንና ስራችሁን ትታችሁ ለወደቁት ለጀግኖች አባቶቻችን እናቶቻችን ጊዜ ሰጣችሁ በመምጣታችሁ በእግዚአብሔር ስም እናመሰግናችኋለን። እግዚአብሔር አምላክ የሞቱትን ወንድሞቻችን አባቶቻችን እናቶቻችን ነፍሳቸውን በመንግስተ ሰማያት እግዚአብሔር ያሳርፍልን። ሀገራችን ፍጹም ሰላም ያድርግልን። ገና ብዙ ልንሰራው የተዘጋጀነው ነገር አለ። መከራችን ስደታችን አላለቀም። ዛሬ እርስ በርሳችን የበለጠ ደግሞ እየሆን ወደ ችግር የወደቅንበት ዘመን ስለሆነ ይህንን ዘመን እግዚአብሔር ቀርቦ ጥሎ በሰላምና በጤና የምንኖርባት ልጆቻችን የሚያድጉባት ለተከታይ ትውልድ ደግሞ ከታሪክ ተወቃሽነት አሁንም ለልጆቻችን የምናስተላልፍበት እግዚአብሔር ይሰጠን። እሱ ፈቃድ የሆነልን እግዚአብሔር ነፍሳቸውን ይማርክ።
ተሰምቶን ነው ግን ሁላችንም የተገኘ ነው በእውነቱ እና በዚህ እኔ እንኳን ራሴ ዛሬ የገጠመኝ ባለቤቴ ዝናብ እየዘነበ ነው፣ በዚህ በዱላ እየተመራ እንዴት ትሄዳለህ በባስ እኔ እንዳልሸኝ ስራ ልገባ ነው ስትለኝ ነው ይሄ ዝናብ እኔ አሁን በባስ ወጥከነ ሄልፊው እየተባልኩ እመጣለሁኝ ተመችቶኝ ወገኖቻችን ግን ዝናብ ሳይሆን ጥይት እየዘነበባቸው ነበረ ያሳለፉት ያንን አገር እንደዚህ አድርገው ያቆዩልን እና ያንን ብዬ ነው የመጣሁት። ሁላችንም በዚሁ መልኩ ነው የተገኘነውና ሁላችንም አገራችንን በሰላም ያኖርልን ሐሳባችንን ያሳካልን እላለሁ። የሞቱትን ሁሉ ለመንግስተ ሰማያት ያስገባልን። እግዚአብሔር ይማርልን። አመሰግናለሁ ስላዳመጣችሁ።
on fascist Graziani!
Shame on fascist Graziani!
Shame on fascist Graziani!
Shame on fascist Graziani!
We Ethiopians, we never forget Nazi and the fascist crimes.
Never forget
We never forget Nazi and the fascist crimes.
Never forget Nazi and fascist crimes.
We never forget Nazi and the fascist crimes.
Never forget Nazi and fascist crimes.
Shame on Nazi!
Shame on Nazi!
Shame on Graziani!
Shame on Graziani!
Shame on Nazi!
Shame on Nazi!
Shame on Graziani!
Shame on Graziani!
ከሁሉ አስቀድሜ በዚህ ታላቅ መታሰቢያ ቀን ለመገኘት በአትላንታ የኢትዮጵያ ኮሚኒቲ ማህበር ላደረገላችሁ ጥሪ አጽንኦት ሰጥታችሁ የሥራና የእረፍት ጊዜያችሁን ለዚህ ታላቅ የሀገር ጉዳይ በማዋል የወቅቱ ከባድና አስቸጋሪ የሆነ የአየር ሁኔታ ሳይበግራችሁ በታላቅ የኢትዮጵያዊነት ስሜት በመገኘታችሁ በአገር ጉዳይ ተመስጋኝና አመስጋኝ ሊኖር የማይገባ መሆኑን ባምንም እንዳመሰግናችሁ ይፈቀድልኝ። ክቡራትና ክቡራን ወገኖቼ እንደ ኢትዮጵያ አቆጣጠር ከ1934 ዓ.ም ጀምሮ ይህ ዝክረ ሰማዕታት ሲከበር የዛሬው ለ71ኛው ጊዜ ሲሆን ፋሺስት ኢጣሊያ የካቲት 12 ቀን 1929 ዓ.ም 30,000 የአዲስ አበባ ከተማ ነዋሪ የነበሩትን በአሰቃቂና ዘግናኝ ሁኔታ በአካፋና በዶማ ጨፍጭፋ የፈጀችበት ዕለት እንደመሆኑ ድርጊቱ የትውልድ ህሊና ውስጥ እየተሳለ ከአንዱ ወደ ሌላው ትውልድ የሚሸጋገር እንጂ ፈጽሞ የሚረሳ ታሪክ አይሆንም። እስከዛሬ ስናከብር የቆየነው የዛሬ 77 ዓመታት የተፈጸመውን በአይነ ህሊና እያየን ሲሆን የዛሬውን የምናከብረው ያንን ዘግናኝ ሁኔታ የሚያጎላ ሁኔታ በተከሰተበት እጅግ ስሜታችን በተነካበት ነው። በዛሬው ቀን የምናከብረው የሰማዕታትን ቀን ልዩ የሚያደርገው በጣሊያ ደቡባዊ ግዛት በምትገኝ አፊሌ ከተማ ውስጥ የፋሺስቱ የጣሊያ ወራሪ ጦር አበጋዝ የነበረው የሩዶልፍ ግራዚያኒ መታሰቢያ መቃብር ሐውልትና መናፈሻ
እንደ አውሮፓ አቆጣጠር ከነሐሴ 11 ቀን 2012 ዓመተ ምህረት ተመርቆ መከፈቱ ነው። ክቡራትና ክቡራን ወንድሞችና እህቶች ፋሺስት ጣሊያ ኢትዮጵያን በቅኝ ግዛትነት ለመያዝ ሁለት ጊዜ ወረራ የፈጸመች ሲሆን የመጀመሪያው እንደ ኢትዮጵያ አቆጣጠር በ1888 ሲሆን የጀግኖች አባቶቻችንና እናቶቻችን የህብረት በትር አድዋ ላይ ቀምሳ የቀኝ ግዛት ዓላማ ከመክሸፉን በተጨማሪ ዘመናዊ መሳሪያ እስከ አፍንጫው የታጠቀና ዘመናዊ የውትድርና ሙያ የተካነ ሰራዊት አሰልፋ ጦርና ጎራዴ ብቻ በነበረው ጥቁር ህዝብ መሸነፏ እጅግ ከባድ ውርደት ሆኖባት እስከ 1928 ዓመተ ምህረት ድረስ ለ40 ዓመታት አንገቷን ሰብራ ለመቆየት መገደዷ የሚታወቅ ቢሆንም በውርደት የቆየችባቸው ዓመታት ቂም ይዛ ለበቀል የተዘጋጀችበት ስለነበረ ወታደራዊ ኃይሏን በእጅጉ አዳብራና አጠናክራ ለሁለተኛ ወረራ ሩዶልፍ ግራዚያኒን የጦር አበጋር አድርጋ ከሾመች በኋላ በሮም አደባባይ ግዙፍ ወታደራዊ ሰልፍ ስታደርግ ፋሺስቱ ሩዶልፍ ግራዚያኒ ሞሶሎኒ ፊት ቆሞ ኢትዮጵያን ያለ ህዝብ ባዶ መሬት ወይም ከነ ህዝቦቿ በቅኝ ግዛትነት ገጸ በረከት አድርጎ ለማቅረብ በእብሪት ደንፍቶ ቃል ገብቶ ነበር። ቃሉንም ለመተግበር ሲል በምድር በታንክና በመድፍ በአየር ደግሞ በቦምብ ጣይ የመርዝ ጋዝ የሚረጩ የጦር አይሮፕላኖች እየታገዘ የካቲት 1229 በአዲስ አበባ የተጨፈጨፉትን ሳይጨምር ከ1 ሚሊዮን በላይ የሚገመት ህዝብ በልዩ አይነት የጭካኔ ተግባር ጨፍጭፎ በወቅቱ የኢትዮጵያ ኦርቶዶክስ ተዋሕዶ ቤተክርስቲያን ሊቀ ጳጳስ የነበሩትን አቡነ ጴጥሮስና የጎሬ ሀገረ ስብከት ሊቀ ጳጳስ አቡነ ሚካኤልን ጨምሮ በብዙ መቶ የሚቆጠሩ ካህናት ፈጅቶ በብዙ ሺዎች የሚቆጠሩ አብያተ ክርስቲያናትን አውድሞ ከ14 ሚሊዮን በላይ የሚገመቱ የቤት እንስሳትና ቁጥራቸው በውል ያልታወቁ የዱር እንስሳትና ብርቅ የሆኑ አዕዋፋትን በመርዝ ጋዝ ማለቃቸው በአየር ብክለት በእጽዋት ላይ ከፍተኛ ጉዳት ደርሶ ነበር። ከ525 ሺህ በላይ የሚገመቱ የመኖሪያ ቤቶች በታንክና በመርዝ ጥይትና ሆን ተብሎ በተተኮሰው እሳት መጋየታቸውና በብዙ መቶ ሚሊዮን ዶላር የሚገመት ንብረት መውደሙ ታሪክ የመዘገበው ሀቅ ነው።
መጀመሪያ ደህና መጣችሁ ለዚህ ሁኔታ። እኔ ቀጥታ ወደ ደብዳቤው ነው የሚሄደው። የተባለው በሙሉ ተብሎ አልቋልና ይሄ በኢትዮጵያ ኮሚኒቲ በኩል የተላለፈ ሪዞሉሽን ነው እና ይሄ ሪዞሉሽን በእንግሊዝኛ የተጻፈ ሪዞሉሽን በኮሚኒቲ በኩል የተላለፈ ነው። እሱን ወደ ቀጥታ ንባብ ውስጥ ገባለሁ። ሪዞሉሽን ዲማንዲንግ ዘ ዲስማንትልመንት ኦፍ ዘ ግራዚያኒ ሜሞሪያል passed on December 8, 2012. Number 1, taking into consideration A, as Adolf Hitler did in Europe, fascist Italy committed huge war crimes under the leadership of Duce, Mussolini and Marshal Rudolf Graziani during 1935 to 1941 in Ethiopia, where 1 million Ethiopians were killed, including 30,000 in only 3 days in Addis Ababa, as well as the destruction of 2,000 churches and 525,000 homes. B, the tragic fact that Ethiopia has not yet achieved the justice that it richly deserves. C, the struggle for justice that is being waged on behalf of the Ethiopian people, including the effort by the Global Alliance for Justice, the Ethiopian cause. The website will be available soon. Whereas the Italian government has inaugurated on August 11, 2012, in the presence of Vatican representative, a mausoleum and a park as a memorial for the fascist criminal, the so-called Butcher of Ethiopia, in town called Affile, south of Rome. Be it resolved that 1, that the Ethiopian Community Association in Atlanta hereby calls on the Italian government to immediately dismantle the mausoleum and park it established for the fascist criminal Rudolf Graziani. 2, that the Ethiopian Community Association in Atlanta fully endorses the following demands by the Global Alliance for Justice, the Ethiopian cause for the benefit of the Ethiopian people. A, the Alliance letter to the Italian President and Prime Minister calling for the dismantlement of the Graziani Shrine. B, the Alliance calls for 1, a formal and public apology by the Vatican to the Ethiopian people for its complicity with fascist Italian. 2, the restitution of Ethiopian properties looted by the Vatican and Italy. 3, the inclusion of the fascist war crimes in Ethiopia in the historic annals of the United Nations. And 4, the payment of adequate reparation by Italian to the Ethiopian people. Signed on the 8th day of December 2012, the Ethiopian community. Thank you.
Good morning. How are you?
Angela Levico Santuzzi. I hope I have enough seats for everybody.
Some of us can stand, so you don't have a
You're
problem.
welcome to sit here. Yes. Well, welcome to my office.
Thank you.
And let's see. I want to know you. So how are we going to start?
You can start. How about
This way. Okay.
yes?
Okay, and represent the community here.
Yeah, we're all members of the community. We got the leaders of the community, Mr.
Ah, you the one you've been
Gusu.
writing emails?
No, I was the one.
Oh, it's you. Okay.
They assigned me for this purpose
Okay.
to do, the organizing the rally and the protest and all
Yes.
that. But they're the leaders. This is Ngusu.
My name is Lugusu,
Yes.
Chairman of Ethiopian Community Association.
Okay.
And
My name is Tekle. I'm the Deputy Director for the committee.
Okay.
Reverend Ephraim from Ethiopian Orthodox Church.
Nice to meet you. Can you please take a picture?
Shafi Al-Amin Ahmed,
Nice to meet you.
member of Ethiopian community, and I'm here on behalf of Ethiopian Muslims. My name is Samson Tagay, and I'm one of Ethiopian member of the Ethiopian community.
You're
My
the-
name is
Yes,
Nair
I'm here.
Dalamayo. By now you know I'm a member of the community trying to organize this one.
And you?
My name is Yekiti Bogale. I'm from Ethiopian Community Women's and Children's Association.
Okay, good. I'm the Honorary Consul General of Italy since 2005, and it's been quite a challenge in such a big city like Atlanta with 6 million people. I know it's a lot of work for honorary consulate, but I read a lot about what is about, and there's not journalists here, right?
He is a journalist, if you don't mind.
It's okay. So I mean, I'm not basically what's my what I'm able to do for you. It's carry your message through the embassy. I spoke with the embassy last week, and the ambassador. We discussed about it. They have already some kind of situation, a protest like 3 months ago in Washington, something like that.
Yes.
And they were glad that they carried the message to Rome. The position of the Italian government, it's really, shocked as well for what happened. And it's kind of like sometimes, there's these people that are taking on initiative and without following up and not even thinking what they're doing internationally and what it stays behind two countries and the relationship and the future. So we're trying to be, to build a better future, and there's these people that are, even the priest, I know what you're talking about. So, I was able, if you think so, we can also deliver a message to the church, because I know exactly what you're talking about. And again, I'm glad that I meet you, and I pray for a better relationship between our country and your country. I have sometimes I meet some of your community around around Atlanta, and I'm always happy to exchange a few words. Very friendly people. As open parentheses, there's a lot of people that work at a Whole Food, and I become friends through the years. Also, I think you have totally a right, and you did a good job on this demonstration. So there was the right things to do, and I'm glad I was able to be here and accommodating your letter to the Italian government in Rome.
Can I ask you one question?
Yes, sir.
If you don't mind? First, I'm really impressed, and I appreciate your being here.
Thank you.
And accepting us. In general, the question I have for you is, what we read, and I think it's a fact, that the mayor of Hafili, he used his own money plus the taxpayers of the people of the town, the Italian people. He used that money to build this mausoleum, this park. And a lot of Italians, thank God, they're against him. And I'm hoping you're also against him.
Obviously.
And this, he killed 1 million Ethiopians, it's a fact. He did a lot of, he was an ally of Adolf Hitler. He was an ally of Mussolini. There's a big movement in Italy right now, an anti-fascist movement. My question to you is it a fact that the Italian, this mayor used the Italian taxpayer to build this mausoleum? If so, even regardless, this thing has to be dismantled.
It's a complicated
what's
answer. Yeah, I look into it, and my personal opinion on the records, of course, I'm not allowed to release an interview because from my position as an honorary consul, I've been strict to not release an interview. But what I believe happened that sometimes through bureaucracy, you request funds for something, but you know how bureaucracy goes. You ask for something and you may describe no accurate, and then I think what he's get around. It must be some kind of, pretending to do something for Second World War, because we are shocked. Even I was talking to Washington, so we also wondering how that can be possible. Sometimes we believe, because we face this, is that he probably went around by bureaucratic way without justify exactly what he was doing, and he got found it. Because it's obvious, the Italian government would never, it will never do something like that. And in fact, we totally dissociate what this guy is doing independently. Italian government passes message as well to me to carry to you that we are totally dissociated for what he's doing. And we actually worry about what's going on because we don't want to hurt the relationship between us, Italy and your country. We want to forget the past and be stronger in the future and better world for everybody. So this kind of episode, they're not good for anything. It just like it hurts. It in some degree it's very embarrassing from my perspective. It's really.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you so much. We have the voice. I hope you understood everything.
I want a picture of you. I want to send to Rome a picture.
You want to say something?
You want to say something for us?
I can't, unfortunately. I'm an honorary consul general. I can't release interview, but I want to be part of you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I really, with my heart.
Okay. Thank you.